What all do we do today?
Well, we got the frame back here sandblasted and primer. We got the main frame back here. We got the leaf spring, rear axle. We got the gas tank back there primered and sandblasted to get the surface rust off.
I thought it was going to be a glossy black, but I kind of like the flat black. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks like the factory, as you said earlier.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
I think it came out pretty good.
And up here we're doing the sandblasting. We still got to do that later on, probably.
Yeah, we got the box over there. I don't know if we'll have enough sand today to do it.
Yeah.
We're getting kind of low on sand.
And then after we get done with this, we're going to primer it the same color that we have back there.
Uh-huh.
Besides that, we got...
Remember what we talked about? What's coming up next?
Next we're going to do the steering.
Steering links, yep.
Yep.
We're going to take out all the tie rod ends. We're going to take out the link there. We're going to replace the pitman arm. So we should have pretty much all new steering up here. And it slips my mind what that link is called. Doggone it. But anyways, we're getting there.
Yeah.
I think it's looking good. A lot of work, but it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah. I love projects like this.
So, all right, we're going to get back at it.
See you next.
Well, we got quite a bit done today. Everything turned out pretty well. We got all of our sandblasting done and our painting of the main part of the frame. So the next thing we'll do is we'll put her up on the hoist. We'll get the bottom blasted and painted, and then we'll start tackling that front suspension. And we're doing good. Then we got to take and fire that 5.3 up on the floor and see what we got there, and get the original 350 and transmission listed on Marketplace, and see if we can get a little extra money to continue the project. So until the next time, happy wrenching.